Winding the bobbin. Press the lockout key. Raise the foot. Slide the hook cover release button to the right and remove the hook cover. Take out the bobbin. Put the bobbin on the bobbin winder spindle. Be sure that the bobbin snaps into place. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Set the speed control slider to the fastest position. Place the spool of thread on the spool pin with the thread coming off from under the spool. Attach the spool holder and press it firmly against the spool of thread. Hold the thread with both hands and firmly pull the thread into the guide slot until the thread snaps into the guide slot. Firmly pull the thread to the right while holding it with your hands. Hold the thread with both hands and wind it around the bobbin clockwise several times. Insert the thread into one of the slits of the flange plate and pull the thread to cut it. Push the bobbin winder spindle to the right. The bobbin mark will appear on the LCD screen. Start the machine. When the bobbin is fully wound and stops spinning, stop the machine. Return the bobbin winder spindle to the left. Remove the bobbin and cut the thread with the thread cutter. Press the lockout key. Place the bobbin in the bobbin holder with the thread running off counterclockwise as shown on the hook cover plate. Hold the bobbin in place with your fingertips so it does not rotate. Guide the thread into the front notch of the bobbin holder. Pass the thread under the guide and pull it to the left. Pull the thread slightly until it passes through the side notch. Pass the thread into the guide paths marked 1 and 2. Pull the thread to the right through the slit. Make sure that the thread comes out from the side notch of the bobbin holder. Insert the hook cover plate. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Extra spool pin. Use the extra spool pin when you need to wind the bobbin without unthreading the machine. Insert the extra spool pin into the hole. Place a spool of thread on it and secure the spool with the spool holder. Follow the procedure in the instruction manual to prepare the bobbin thread.